Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today I'm at the Dollar Tree and I'm hunting around for something special. On my other channel, Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, I host a challenge every month called Be Creative. This month the theme is fall fantasy, so let's see what I can find. All right, we just had a hurricane and so I am not set up very well to film videos. We're still trying to get back to life from Milton. But anyway, I found these really cool stickers and I thought, you know what? I bet I can make some jewelry out of them. So let me open this up and see exactly what we have. All right, there's several stickers here. We have jack-o'-lanterns and bats and cats. Is that it? Oh, we got two kinds of jack-o'-lanterns. Kind of what I was thinking is that I could make some jewelry out of these. Maybe I could take them and stick them together like that, so they're double-sided, and maybe put a head pin or an eye pin in there. Let me mess around with this and see what I can come up with, and then I'll explain to you exactly what I did. Oh, you know what? Bummer. These aren't going to work like that because I was hoping those would work. Oh well. So I won't be using the cats, and that's the main reason I bought this one. I wonder if these bats will work. Let's see. I think the bats will work. So everything else but the cats. I have to come up with something else with them. All right, so I found these really pretty green crystals that I have with me, and I'm gonna use that on the top. I'm using these pumpkins. I need 2 of them per item. I don't know if I'm gonna make earrings or I might make a pendant. I haven't decided yet. But then I took some 20 gauge wire and I wired a loop, and then I kind of wired a thicker area, and I may need to go get some, I've got some E6000 glue. I may get some of that and put on here. But basically this is what I'm going to do. And when they make a really pretty pendant or an earring, these are pretty sticky, so I'm gonna try to not use E6000 and see what happens. But I just laid that on there, and I think I'm gonna make a pair of earrings because I have enough to do a pair of earrings and a pendant. So we'll do a set. So I've got that laid there. Now I just need to peel this and put it on the back there. These came out cute. I'm gonna finish the set, and then I'll put it on and I'll show you what it looks like. So this one, I did a little bit too long, but that's okay. I'm just gonna kind of bend it up. You're not gonna be able to see that, but I did wanna show you something else on the top here. So the bead doesn't slide down. I made sure to wrap the wire underneath the bead. See how I bent it up? You're not even gonna see that. And here they are, all finished. I was thinking I had one more of these. So I'm not gonna be able to make a pendant, but that's okay. I love these earrings. The hardest part of this whole thing was peeling the back off. Let me put these on and let me show you what they look like. They are. Aren't they fun? Oh, I can't wait to make the rest of them. These would make excellent gifts. Or if you're doing a fall bazaar, like a little craft fair, wouldn't these be fun to put in your booth? I had to go and put my Halloween shirt on so I could be all decked out in my fall fantasy. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me. I hope you go check out all the other participants and help you participate. All you have to do is make something with the theme fall fantasy. Tag me, make sure you do that because I don't want to miss it. And also, if you're going to join us next month on the 13th of November, I can't remember what the theme is, but I'll put that information down in the description box below. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.